दावत देता हूँ मादुल गनी इस्लामिक एकेडमी के स्टूडेंट मौलाना असद साहब तशरीफ़ लाएँ, इंग्लिश में स्पीच कीजिए।
नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बाद, अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। वल्लज़ीना आमनू व अमिलुस सालिहाति लयस्तख़लिफ़न्नहुम फ़िल अर्ज़ कमा इस्तख़लफ़ल लज़ीना मिन क़ब्लिहिम, सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। Most respected honorable guests, esteemed scholars, and my beloved, my dear friends, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As we stand here in this vast ground, it is a great honor for me to address such a distinguished gathering today. Let us reflect upon the rich history of our beloved religion, Islam. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Khairul quruni qarni, thumma alladhina yalunahum, thumma alladhina yalunahum." The best of generations is my generation, then those who come after them, then those who come after them. These words remind us of the noble companion of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who sacrificed everything for the sake of Islam. They worked tirelessly to spread the message of peace, justice, and equality throughout the world. Just a few days ago, we witnessed a historic event in Syria, the land of prophets. Despite facing countless challenges and hardships, but the followers of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam succeeded in liberating this land. Their victory is a testament to the power of faith, unity, and perseverance. My dear friends, as we celebrate this momentous occasion, let us also remember the ongoing struggle of our Kashmiri brothers. They have been fighting for their right to self-determination for decades. It is our duty as a Muslim, to stand in solidarity with them and support their just cause. Just as the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, just the companion of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sacrificed everything for the sake of Islam, but sacrificed everything and their lives for Islam, and sacrificed their child for Islam. We too must be prepared to sacrifice it for the sake of Islam, for the sake of our faith, for the sake of our new generations, for the sake of our Islamic world. We must follow in their footsteps and work tirelessly to spread the message of peace, message of justice, and message of Islam. I will request you, I will say you all to actively participate in the struggle of our liberation of Kashmir. Let us use our knowledge, let us use our skills, let us use our resources to support our Kashmiri brothers. Let us raise our voices against injustice and oppression. Let us work together to build an Islamic world, to build a better world for ourselves and our new generations and our futures. Finally, I will request you, remember, Any success of struggle depends on our unity, depends on our commitment to our cause. Finally, may Allah grant us the strength and courage to face all challenges and emerge victorious. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.